AK Mule Mutizwe.
AK Mule Mutizwe. That's it.
Thandeka Thirike uThithe bangaziyo.
Thandeka Thirike uThithe bangaziyo.
Hey Lebza, my name's Amwan.
Pucha. Akabona next guys, don't know. No, mana like shimana kayetsa kaofela mara like. So fake. Sibuya chikila king tshelo go nomshimana kayetsa. Male yona like akayetsa mfana like ichayile kana la basamandla akaditsa kaofela. Yeah, akaditsa kaofela mara yona like
What's one to Musmana Tayet? I don't get out with some of forgive. You had on shit like a man or more. I don't know.
Talking from experience.
Yabona into defeva isiyamukela makunini mawuzile kimi washo wathi sorry mama kunomamkhulu ngifuna ukuthi wena ube umamncane cha iphela indaba washiya malini hayi okwabonayo ngiyabona nathi buwa ka hore webona bathatha kuba alikhona ukuba umamncane because linka chesting imamkhulu endlini ngifuna umamncane wena ngizibona umamncane wami
mina ke umsebenzi wami khona kwenza
uzakutshela
second question Kafi akitsibile mabitso a lona second question. Okay, can you verify what's your favorite position?
in here
Favorite position?
helicopter
position 30
fucking knife
Kilo is a man in a form of fair and a coffin also.
yeah yo fucking knife
Get him fucking knife.
kaya ka
That's something to give up on tempo. Robana, fucking knife. You fucking knife.
Ngithi bhuti wami nomuntu wakho lana yabo umuntu wakho la
umuntu wami mthatha
ngimthathe
nawo wakho
sokowami nami Molly, it's fair. I can see it, guys. Gary. Oh, but sisters. My mother. It's my mother. Something else. So can shaka na lo na ba face lo. You can man la sila kita. Ala kuya. Asa na tara ba? It's a pinda lenda ba. Ku happy ba fe cameraman ko ba mo ni
Give me though. Thabisile Makgowe, yes. Thank
you. Thank you so much.
AK Mule Mutizwe.
AK Mule Mutizwe. That's it.
Thandeka Thirike uThithe bangaziyo.
Thandeka Thirike uThithe bangaziyo.
Hey Lebza, my name's Amwan.
So I can say no sisters if never jeudi so que ça joue like
questions what's all the questions
now like I don't know if you can get that
ai
go banka make nka so go disa
ke tsa gago tseo
okay o le ka
araba everything ya botsa we sawara ka ro re mo champion
so
every
ke metse o mike o yetse ke tlo ba personal nyana
a gona isata hello there King Ed. King Ed. Action. Opanya pa. Opetsulo.
Oh, king chincha perfect. So go diselo.
Ariam timo lei. Butsamile na butse anyone. I'm coming.
Kiruna ba? Yes. Make a message questions. Oh, le Kenya sa mo fusho nyan. As a shell guys.
Yes, me too. Yes.
Okay, ba fethu ba choose.
Love the vibe.
So for sisters.
Oh,
That's reality.
Back to reality. Hey, it's the reality.
I don't like distractions. So
Ngathi babuyile bo.
Pucha. Akabona next guys. Okay. Okay, but sisters. Tell us any chance. Ngizobuza umbuzo ngikalela. Phendula.
That's why
That's how I find out.
That's why I'm shooting.
Okay, asiyeke idrama. Okay, yaqala manje. Esingishilo uzamkhathina la ngimbuza. So kokubuza ne eshimase kupalibotsa ne sisters ne. Ke ngintsholo go no mfana like mshimana ka yetsa kaofela mara like we are actually like ngintsholo go no mshimana ka yetsa ne male yona like ka yetsa mfana like e chaile ka ina like ba sammatla ka ditsa kaofela yeah aka ditsa kaofela mara yona like utlwana
yes yo go bontshe go wa tseba ntho mosimane tla etsa ke tlo nketsa ke sa mo forgive ke ha tlo ntshita ka mosimane o mongwe ai ke ndo no nkina le ndo
Amana tu shoto are ma hu before ba celebrity nanyo o nyobile ke phone. Wa tsantsa ka mara game re tsena ka o bula metete le dinywana.
talking from experience.
No experience. But I'm saying when you're gonna cheat me, Kupa uncheate with a woman. Do it different styles and whatever you want to do. But do not cheat me with a guy because whatever that I'm competing with, I've got it.
Whoa, stay. It's in question.
Put on a lower like in Cholo, like in Shimano, like Ojalena, like I did a coffee on my ear, like check or some match.
Bufebe. Bufebe, Asabu and Cabona that time data. For the first time, I show are nagging a massage or nagging a girlfriend. Give out away now just for. A woman has a rituals and then candles on telling about just for. Kiona you.
Not what you think about.
Yes, cut.
I'm here. Lalela. Mami when I see petty and what marage. Kutlipete yam. I knew one time. It's chai. Elalela.
For Mike on. Like a battle, Mamdim. Interest or Yemika was Pana or Wapanda. Did you try to
I 7
was Pana or Wapanda? I was Pana, Spane or Panda or Pande. One Jordan Jack. Let's see, Mike. Sing you jelly. Yabonin de favor is Yamagela Magunin. Mausi de Gimuasho Wati. Sorry, Mama. Guno mam cool. Mfuna guthi wena ube uma mncane. Cha iphela indaba. Washiya malini hayi okwabonayo. ne ke bona eo nna ke bua ka hore we bona bothata a le kgone go ba bo mamncane because le nka chesting wa tla monna a re ko wena ke na le mamkhulu are mamela listen to me ling mamets listen to me, are you listening to me? Mamkhulu monna a re ko wena ngino mamkhulu endlini ngifuna umamncane wena ngizibona umamncane wami
mina ke umsebenzi wami mina khona ukwenza
we uzakutshela
Okay, Shemang guys, second question ke afi. Second question ke afi. A ke tsebile mabitso a lona. A ke tsebile mabitso. Bamfile mabitso a bona ba introduce mane ba sa jutseng. O sa le teng ba check-a. Yo ba fethu uthata mo unzima. Hey, second question. Okay, can you verify what's your favorite position? Favorite position?
Helicopter.
position 30
Fucking knife.
Filo is a man enough for Mufe on a coffin also. Answer papa. Yeah, yo.
Fucking knife.
Fucking knife. Kaya ka.
Robala wena. Fucking knife. You fucking knife. And then why? Move a control and get a touching the way. Mare ntotse re di buang le lona ne ke tse banna ba rona ke tse banna ba rona ba di etsang ene re batla hore ba di etse ene ke tse ba re fang tsona na am enough ka monnaka I don't wanna lie wa bona o ke dulang le ena hona tshi o enough umfa fucking knife umpa backstroke umfa eng ordinary e re go se tsona le engwe next side tsebe ke batla lebitso la yona mo a shebileng nna ke shebile kwa mare a shebile mrao
So my sister, you think we care?
mare a kene ka pele mare o shebile mrao
Yo kopa go hlaka mo no teno malwana mo nate lapeng.
That's when you feel good your marriage is fulfilled. Because you have a player in your husband, you have a friend in your husband, you have a player in your husband, you have a cheater in your husband. You have let me tell you, Bariking, fuck boy in your husband.
Okay. Whoa. Yeah, iphelile imbuza. Undlulile umbuza ngithi. That's why ke batla di sugar mama guys. Yo, ke batla sugar mama. Una lo mpatlang mo lona. Oh, hayi, isibanyetsi. Banyetsi.
Hayi mina nginaye lami ibhenqisi.
Oh, wena bese ngiyazi ukuthi nalo nga.
Ngiyasho nginalo.
Okay.
They still date me in my marriage. They still take me out in my marriage.
Yes,
I'm still a girlfriend in my marriage. They still
Okay. Oh, kopa change up. Kopa change up. Another thing. EFF.
Mimos, come down.
That question, kopa re bua re share. Wafuna? Yo, wafuna after more. Find out if you are the only one after more fit. After more, okay, wait till you get after more. Now fit about the photo like re tlo ba founela re bone go like we want go ena. Kale ka we. Ona chat. Ah, dia tla di phone go paketela. Okay. Third question. If I tell me le pele go. Oh, na le chat. Oh, okay, yeah, ka private number o space. A re kene tla ka re na le batho ba matla motse re ba shoot. A re fe. Okay, kopa we yes, ke bole bona. Third question ine. Okay, let me cook. Kopa botsa kile ga find out ka fela ke. Kile ga find out ka fela. Okay, today's the day. A ke na dipotso tsa motse re tlo shoota batho ba ba. Kopa mfone.
502.
Yes.
59.
Yes. You said you have an airtime.
No, yes, kinele airtime. Tshwantse re etse private call.
Yes, kopa we.
081 502 59 14. Yeah, mo phone. Mo phone.
Ke man lebitso la o tse ba o bitsa ka mang?
We shall find out.
Ke man lebitso la hae.
Ke sesh. Umlela re wina 1,000 rand.
Afuna ya seba mfana. Hello Steve. Hello. So I'm calling from a YouTube. Yeah, I'm from Streetcast channel. Like I have something for you. Yes, I have 3 questions for you. I'm with your girlfriend. I want you to confirm 3 questions for me. She's gonna give you a gift. On. Eshka funa mina ibuela fatshe mfana. Kopa funa ka funa isinga.
Ke private number.
Funa lela tlase mfana.
Private number tseo. #1#.
How do you say that?
008.
Hello. Sure. It's still me. I'm calling from Streetcast channel. I want you to confirm 3 questions for me. Your girlfriend is gonna give you a gift. Can I ask you, who's your girlfriend? Okay. Ngithi bhuti wami nomuntu wakho lana yabo. Umuntu wakho la. Ngimthathe.
Nawo wakho.
Sokungowami nami. Ngicela udropa kanjalo ke. Bathi songowami sitathweni uthini ngalo nto.
Ku right. Yeah, vele nami ngiyakuthatha.
Sekuneshuka mama.
Yes, thank you so much.
Ngithi bhuti wami nomuntu wakho lana yabo. Umuntu wakho la. Ngimthathe.
Nawo wakho.
Sokungowami nami. Ngicela udropa kanjalo ke. Bathi songowami sitathweni uthini ngalo nto.
Ku right. Yeah, vele nami ngiyakuthatha.
Sekuneshuka mama.
Yes, thank you so much.
Sekuneshuka mama.
Yes.
Awuphike kumkhalela.
Ngeke for ina masimba mos.
Next, uyawazi ama-number wakhe? Awazi ngenhloka. Mela. Ngibonele ngifonele injaya imizothola ishuka mama nayo.
Tseke. 065.
065.
Hayi, akunayo ama-number wakhe.
Uyabuza
Nithi wena unayo?
256
Okay. Private number.
6115. Ayibo ima hostel. Mina
Umbuzo ubani qala igama lakho kuthiwa.
Ima hostel.
I know her.
065.
Awumedeme.
Unayo ama-number wakhe?
Angina akathandeka.
There's no need for a private call.
Hayi womuntu wakhe anginawo.
Oh.
065.
Yeah.
256.
Yeah.
6115.
Oh 6115. Mina ngithe 6
So kokubuza sisathi ungamtshela umuntu wakhe.
Hayi for in why?
Why ngeke umtshele umfisa wena? Akamazi. Wakho uyamazi.
We are colleagues, guys. It's not like.
Hey, mangamazi. Makavela ngale ya moto le. So. Makangavela ngale ya moto. Vela ngimazi. Angishela athi
Uzomqo.
iya mangoba. Yes. Sasa mangimfonela azosho so she said ya moto.
Kitchen isebenza futhi bakhuluma kakhulu labo. Amashuka mama. Sugar my ding ding. Bani igama lakho? Elakhe? John. Oh. Sure, John. Yes, yeah, I'm calling from a Streetcast channel. I have 3 questions for you. I have your. Oh, nginomuntu wakho lana yabo, nginombuzo e3 for wena bengifuna ungiphendulele wona, ngizomupha igift akuphe yona. Kuyokubuza ubani umuntu wakho? Yes, nginomuntu wakho lana, like I'm calling from a Streetcast channel. Ngifuna ungiphendule umbuzo e3 ngiconfirmele. Mangabe vele uzongiconfirmela right. Ngibuza wena ukuthi umuntu wakho ubani, ngifuna ungiconfirmele vele umbuzo e3 ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi umuntu wakho ubani nesikhathi esingakanani njola ke. I'm calling from a Streetcast channel. I'm with your girlfriend now.
You are calling from which channel?
Yes, Streetcast channel. Nginomuntu wakho lana kwamela kuphi gift yabo after la maqedwe. Kokubuza ibani igama lakhe, sicela igama lakhe nje kuphela. Sicela igama lakhe, ubani igama lakhe?
You are calling from which channel?
Okay. Yes, like us. I'm calling from a Streetcast channel. That's what I always do. Like I work like this. So now I met your girlfriend. I'm with your girlfriend right now. I want you to confirm 3 questions for me. Who is your girlfriend?
My girlfriend is telling us here.
It's who?
Yeah.
Oh, Tandega Bia. Okay, I'm Kamala. Okay, thank you, my brother. You won the gift. She's gonna give you a gift. Thank you. Bayathanda. Ufila kanjani vele since vele bangachike.
Give it to Waka. Oh, soulmate.
Who's next? Next. Kichomo. Kupotle ka. Kupotle ka muka uku. Kupotle ka.
I'm sure what you are. 082.
Hey guys, ngiyanyiwiwa namhlanje. Yo kusebusuku bafethu. Yo akulalwa namhlanje. Ke, ay. Baba omdala.
Asuba umntana. Hayi ubhuti ubuye.
Konje bani igama lakho? Mule. Umpho igama lakhe. Shosho. Si wrong.
Ni wrong.
Shosho, my brother.
Sure.
Sure, Mpho, I'm calling from a Streetcast channel. Nginomuntu wakho lana bengifuna ukonfirmela umbuzo e3 bese azokupha igift. Kokubuza ubani umuntu wakho? Ngifona from a Streetcast channel. Nginomuntu wakho lana ngifuna ukonfirmele umbuzo e3. Kokubuza ubani umuntu wakho? Kunomunye. Malomunye.
Kunalomunye. Kai.
Mali nkulu.
Hayi sibili kuko kanje. Manga utama nyana. How you want it? Never.
Are you one?
How you want it?
Are you one or we one?
Uyabona umpho umuntu kaMule thina siyazi thina yithi saziyo uyabona if bekufona uMule it was a different story.
Okay, kokubuza uthi wayaqopile
Uboregile.
uregile bayazivikela bathi bakubhorekile. Next. Ofeng amuzume mo. Shota wena. Akatsiba uchiteli uyiwani kwena akatsiba yo uyiwani. Ona omong.
Utenkiyo.
Wabona yarukushwetsa wabona auso o mo chargeang monna ha moholo haholo a tlo entertainer o tlo lwana le yena a mmotsa why umfonisa batho hore ke nya
First thing first. Whoa. Okay, let me explain. Yena makafika endlini kwamele enzayo ngathi akayazi ukuthi khambe ngoba sifone ngeprivate nami iba ngathi uyazi umuntu makakufunela nje amfoni phone you want a coffee nana uyivela drops yena makafika everything is normal.
Ngoba niyahlonipha futhi ithi ungitshele ngimthandela ini mina ngintshele from the status ngathi umuntu wami bayamazi inkabi yamateksi owner waseJoburg uyonithuka athi ngiyondubula angifuni
Mina angifi ngighost. Owakabani lo? Voicemail. I-voicemail asi again. Asivale. Thank you. I-voicemail iya ku voicemail. Owakabani Oh lawyer. Ubani ofana omunye? Alex 24/7. Yes. Amachacha komahle yo. Permanent vele. Do you mind displacing them on my camera? Oh, I'm in Zimbabwe. Yes, oh God. Oh God. That's all you got.
The one you got.
Okay. Bafethu sizwile ngithola ishuka mama ngiyayivala ke. Arazi ngeke iphele yo. Ngoba ngiphuzanga ngaphuzile.
Mina vela ngina out. Siyakhona ukubona. Ngicela niposte lento lene. Angimfuni umuntu angekho serious, ufuna umuntu ozongikhipha kithi, angishade, sambe sohlala kwethu. Okwamanje vele ngisaphethe abo bababizana. Bona labo. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Abangekho show yababona nabaya zuma kokugcina veza lapha ya. Ngisaphethe evizo ayilapho jika. Nasiya zuma ke, zuma ngizokutshela ukwakafiki khona. Kulele kamereni, hayi ufihlile. Kuphakamisa ikamera. Ngale lo wento ready nanya. Saphethe labo. Ngicela abantu aba serious guys. I hope i-channel yenu izangilethela umuntu serious. Yeah. Lisiko. Hayi, ipencinza. Niva show izolunga. Serious. Atuzolunga guys. Sondela. No. Ngisolela iBenten. Oh my God. Thank you.
Kokuyivala bafethu hayi nani nasibonela ukuthi ngapha bafethu akuningi ngifuna ukukhuluma namhlanje hayi bafethu i-total pension aduno sayitsuyi akitsibi I'm coming okay let me close it bafethu ngile maka nake rekina le matsa na manzi bafethu ke batla le jekamo le hlobona whatever ke bonus and stuff bafethu yo kuningi lifathile bafethu ke la rona kaofela bafethu santsane ke tlo fihla le wena nana go singile o ga ba utshiteli wena nana o so find out ka o tlela tla mo bafethu tse motutsunyana fela ka tla la bona bafethu nyetsa wa nyala ngwana o fetwa o tswala Ben 10 and stuff bafethu ngiyatshela bafethu kuyadaba bafethu kuningi kwenzakala umhlaba owafethu yo bafethu basazolithola basuke bajuluke banamanga sebazile futhi sephinda le ndaba bafethu ongizwile bafethu when the light goes off the boss comes in bafethu shu
asesibhiki manje bona bayakhasa atotsimita uthathuma vele ushiye out amahita siwashiye plating ishu asa ebathi asesibhiki manje bona bayakhasa atotsimita uthathuma vele ushiye out amahita siwashiye plating ishu asa ebathi
Awesome.